Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you some more ways to make money online. This is such an easy method and you can get started in minutes. It's so simple and we want to show you how. But first, remember to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any ways to make money online. Okay, let's get to the website, which is called voices.com. Here on voices.com, you make money just by reading words. You are basically becoming a freelance voiceover artist. Paid money just for reading aloud? It's insane that these kinds of opportunities are still quite unknown to a lot of people. Creative teams, marketers, producers, and instructors from the world's biggest brands and agencies trust Voices with their projects. Voices has helped 42,000 companies. They've helped tens of thousands of marketers, producers, instructors, and creative directors at the world's largest ad agencies. Production houses, entertainment companies, and technology firms find the right talent for their creative projects, and that talent is you. All you need to do to get started is click on the Find Work button. Then, you'll be taken to a screen that lays out more information on how it all works. Receive invites to jobs, respond to the jobs, build a portfolio of work, and make money doing simple voiceover work. Control your earnings with custom responses and quotes relative to client budgets. Access to thousands of voiceover and audio production jobs posted monthly, whether you're privately invited or matched through your Voice membership. Their motto is worry less, work more. With access to over 42,000 companies posting more than 5,000 voiceover and audio production jobs each month, the Voices Marketplace helps you focus less on finding work and more on getting paid to do the work. You can be privately invited to jobs with a free account, or you can be automatically matched to them with a premium account. It's best to stick with the free account until you get your feet in the door and get some practice. Scroll down and click Create Your Profile. Then, click on Work as a Freelancer and agree to the terms before clicking Sign Up. Complete the short form with your information, and well done! Now you're a member. They will take you through some tips and pointers to succeed on their website. Make sure you read through these and fill out the required questions. Then save your profile and you're ready to start earning money from applying for these jobs. Make sure to upload some of your examples to entice companies to reach out to you. It might take a while to get your first customer, but once you get your first, it's such easy work and you can see the huge potential earnings from this site. Want to learn more ways you can make money online? Then subscribe to our video so you don't miss any updates or new uploads. And please remember to leave a like to show your support for the Making Money Online community. Thank you, and until next time, always aim high.